Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a quiz in Canva using the Canva Quiz Maker tool in 2025 step by step. So Canva now lets you design the fun interactive quizzes for the classrooms, for businesses or social media in just a few minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on canva.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, first of all, you are going to see this type of search bar in front of you where you will have to click on the option of templates first. Then in this section, you can either type quiz or you can also type interactive quiz presentation. Now, whichever query you type over here, you are going to see a bunch of different quiz templates in front of you. So you can either hover over to each one of these and see which one you want for your assignments. So here, as you can see, we have different types of quizzes templates for games, for different types of presentations as well. So you can click on any of these and after that click on the option of customize this template. Now when you click on the option of customize this template, you will be shown this type of presentation in front of you. As you can see, this is the front page of this particular challenge. You can also click on the second option and you can just start adding the quizzes. Here, as you can see, we have the question one. So over here, you can just change the question as per you want. So instead of this particular question, I'm gonna be typing this, let's say, which social media platform do you use the most? Then you just have to make changes into the options as well. After that, you need to just simply keep on adding as many questions and the answers as you want here in this quiz. Once you are done, you can either click on the option of present and you can present your quiz, or you can also click on the option of share on the top right hand corner of the screen and you can download this in the form of PPT. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.